everyone, welcome back to the JetPrint channel. Today we are going to show you how to add branding options to your products. Design your branding options. Go to our website and find the branding page in the menu on the left. There you will see the branding options we offer, including insole, greeting card, soap boxes, and more. Simply click on them to view the details. Choose the branding option you want to add to your product. Then click Design to enter the mockup generator and start designing. After finishing your design, don't forget to click Save. The branding option you design will appear in My Items. From there, you can manage your branding options like rename or deleting. Add branding options. Go to the product catalog page and start design the product you want to sell. Once you enter the mockup generator, you can find the add-on option on the left side and select the branding accessories you've decided. The number of branding options you select will be displayed as a number on the add-on icon. You can add branding options when you begin your design or complete your design. After completing the product design and select the branding option, click Save. This way your branding accessories will be shipped along with the product. Branding tips. If you add branding options to your products, an add-on button will appear on the product page. Click it to view your branding options. If the branding options you've designed don't appear in the add-on section of the mockup generator, it means that the option is not available for that product. Simply contact our customer service team to have the option enabled for you. Unlike regular products, branding accessories preview and automatically sync to your store. To display them to customers, simply download the images and upload the mockup separately. Please be cautious when deleting branding options, as these will affect your products that are already linked to those branding options. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your watching.